Here 9 minus 9 equals to 0 times 9 minus 9 equals to 0, and here we multiply 0 with 0 and we get 0 times 0 becomes here 0. So this is the our wrong answer, or this is the wrong steps to do the solution of this problem. Okay, if you can do these steps in the exam, you give the 0 marks. So this is the completely wrong way to solve this problem. And now here we I can give you the correct way to solve this problem. Here we solve this type of algebraic expression by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay, I hope so you already know about PEMDAS rule. So here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here we can solve, we can follow this order of operation from left side to the right side. And here also you remember one thing is that multiply and division has the same priority. Addition or subtraction also has the same priority to solve the problem. So now we copy down given question statement here and we again solve this problem for correct way. So according to this PEMDAS rule, you see here we have two operations used in this expression: negative subtraction or multiplication. You see here from this rule, we give the first priority to the multiplication and we give the last priority to the subtraction. It means that we first solve these two terms. So we have 9 minus, this is 9 times 9 becomes 81, and this is minus 9. And further you see here this minus 9 and this plus 9 are cancelled out by each other and we get just minus 81. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.